Hey, big up everybody online right now. Big up to I2K locking right now. You know, big up yourself. You know, supporter. You know, we're always grateful for that. Alright. Big up my people that locked in from the motherland as well. Big up my Jamaicans that locked this way. Big up to everybody in the UK locked in as well. This is TGM Radio Upnlive show here each and every Tuesday. And people will find some celebrity, you know. So we got way over one part, far over one place. And we go back up on the body sound. One of the baddest sound, because right now I can call some controversy when I say the baddest sound, because them ready for defend it.
When one man them put one special for them and them head.
One special, right? Because I know what person I shoot half of them. But anyway, people, Globbal Jugglaz is live inside the studio with us. We have when I say S2, because S2 called me since the, you know, why for S2? We got Diamond here, and we got Jugglaz here. Welcome to the studio, gentlemen.
Big up yourself, Rick. Go on.
Check. Yeah, man. Upnlive. What there, I do?
A proper sound man in here, you know what I'm saying?
Check.
Yeah.
Check still 1, 2, 3.
Make sure everything up in at the Upnlive show.
You know, if we do this long time though, long time we do this, you know, from years back, you know.
And you cancel upon we. How go on, Rick?
We not cancel. You see what go on. Yeah?
About 5 years ago.
For real.
So I know the trips.
I not cancel, we cancel. We just had to reschedule.
True.
And the reschedule just come at a later date because of things and time. But anyway, tell us quickly about your sound.
I give people them know who is Globbal Jugglaz.
Alright. Who is Globbal Jugglaz? Probably, but did I get a question to Diamond? But Diamond, I say, in memory box, kind of weekend. But alright, yeah, the way Globbal Jugglaz farm, right? Basically, S2, when I there tonight, big up S2 was like.
Me nah big up S2 because for there.
True, because him know what going. But S2 was like the main person because him used to run a radio station named Globbal Radio.
Yeah.
And that's where the name come from. So that was like an internet station. But you don't know me and S2 apart from like way back, from like school days, you know, teenage days.
Yeah.
And when the radio they kind of dissolve, S2, you don't know, we did a DJ and I do things same way, but as individual. And then S2 I say, yo, Globbal Jugglaz, you know. And then, you don't know, me did I do my own thing. Cause me did kind of just come in on the biz.
Yeah.
At that point there. But S2 they kind of a little bit more established. So S2 say Globbal Jugglaz. I say, alright then, Globbal Jugglaz. And then after that you have MB Garrison forward.
Muscle man.
Yeah, and then you have Diamond forward, then you used to have Jata, you used to have Princess Charms, and little by little the group kind of breakdown. Two cut, then not really politics still, but differences, you get me, I would say, but it just kind of breakdown where it become the three, where the logo even change rather than Globbal, it have GLO3AL. So the Globbal it spell.
Okay.
So representing me, Diamond S2, and then you don't know, S2 kind of do him thing like differently, but him still do the music. Every time we have any remix, anything.
S2 yeah, man, me S2 talk sometime in a reason. S2 is a man in or out, you know, he's not sure.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. So and then on the left we have Mr. Silent, Mr. Diamond. We don't really talk much. When he say him not talk about what, give him a microphone and dance.
Look like I'm put down like a soul song, you know, to get to the start.
Yeah, but we know Diamond as first of all, I know Diamond from the dancehall scene when we just reach England. And we can always depend upon Diamond to play for the girls them.
Yeah.
The soul segment.
Souls, R&B.
Yeah.
Going at some song when you wine off on the jeans club and one girl skirt.
You know the soul segment met DJ Diamond, you know what I mean? Because I show them on the radio, the soul show.
Yeah. But why souls though?
Because the souls them are from yard, I love souls music, you know. That's what I say. So forward or foreign, you just say, alright, we're going to do souls because that's our comfort zone.
So tell me a little bit about you growing up. Were you born here in the UK or in Jamaica?
No, Jamaica. Place called Kingston 13, you know what I mean?
Okay. So you're a real king. So people, this is what a Kingston 13 person look like, yeah? Because everybody will come from town.
Yeah.
So this is the original Kingston 13.
Yeah,
and you say
man, original, man.
You reach in the UK at what age? You don't have to tell me how old it is now, but what age were you came to the UK? I'm not gonna ask you how long you're there. Then. So.
In the member.
You've been there over,
Yeah,
so you've been
man,
here over 15 years now.
Yeah, man, over 15 years, man. There.
Okay, so you've adjusted well, I guess, because you obviously you have family here, right? No.
Yeah, man.
Okay. And you and dancehall, how are you finding it now with dancehall with you, particularly?
Great, you know. You know what I mean? And me and I look a lane by ourselves, you know what I mean? And just I go and chat the lane there.
How you mean, a little lane by yourself? Explain.
I look a lane like the lane and not really hype lane. The lane there just a look a steady lane where
Well, I
you know
know.
just get to 1 and 2 bookings and just go and
Let me
deal
shuffle
with
big
it.
further now. See,
You know what I mean?
what's your take on UK dancehall in London right now? What's your take on it?
Politics.
No, tell with the politics. That's what we're here for. If we talk about the politics.
What the
See about the
politics
little
you
evil them now.
Alright.
What you find wrong? What you find wrong?
It's not about talent anymore. It's about a group of people where if you have them no link certain way, you can't get a look in.
And so
It's
why
like-
is that though?
It's like DJ them have an influence with promoters. If you tell them who them want on them party.
Yeah.
So some selector like Globbal sound with them afraid of, you know what I mean? I'm gonna tell them say, alright, book the next sound over there so make them come warm up the dance. And then
Them play.
them play from say 4 o'clock till 6.
But you don't feel like that is the problem in the parties what we have right now.
What that?
There's no structure. Especially I was having a conversation today with myself on the gram in regards to people who don't like play when the party is not like full up and running. Nobody no want to play early,
You have 5 selector on a party
and everybody want
and
to play.
5 selector want to play prime time, which it can't happen. It's impossible.
True, it's impossible, but to we still as global jugglers, and you probably can vote for we as well. Rick.
Yeah.
No, I'm still
Any part of the party we get,
you
we
play.
can shell. You get me?
No, but
Because
the thing-
any part of the party you give a diamond, we just
The
hold it.
thing
and
is this.
Yeah.
You see
You
when
see
they
me?
come for warm up a party,
Yeah.
only certain selector can warm up a party.
Mm.
You know what I mean? If 5 selector they on the dance, I'm not gonna say yo.
But you don't feel like that's a problem then, because if you have to wait and
It's a big problem.
so how? All right, listen. We know the problem. We know what go on. How can we fix this thing? What needs to be done? What's the first steps we need to take? Cause we need to take it by little, because nothing now gonna happen overnight, and we just find out a crew right now. So
Me like DJ forget a set time, and the set time we forget, I like a raffle for the time. Cause every man feel like them a star for come in 4 o'clock when you there from 12 a play.
I think so for true. Because
you know, it's a good idea.
It's a good idea because watch the concept of this. Because some people already, the patrons them who are coming to the party already know the routine, how it go.
Yeah.
So some man come fight for play prime time. So that make the patron them come out later.
Yeah.
Because
Really,
them know
see me?
the man them most of the man them who them book on the party for do the warm. Them not warm the party properly. Them just a play boring, you know.
Let me tell you
Yeah.
what go on. For the year me there one party, them claim say a high party. Me there the party from about 1:30. Nobody not there till 2. People just a forward in. 2:33. Music just a play like a me and me there.
And with
2
party
man a
just-
play.
Alright.
Yeah.
Hold on, Jobba. 2 man play up on the sound. Only 1 man alone a mix. The man with fair talk, him just sit down up in a corner cause there 20 people there. No vibes. Party just a play till about 3:30.
When the place ram up.
15 to 4 you see me come take the mic. You know what I mean?
Yeah, and to
Because
we,
there me yard asleep.
but that are the thing to diamond. Me
See
not
what
think
me
say, alright, for your groups in, put
Yeah.
it this way, with global jugglers, that's the difference with we. Because if we there party, a play, and it early, and a 5 people there, no care how much, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, me I work the mic, see me, and talk and do a thing. And when a time for we exit, we do that.
But that are the
You
best
get me?
part for
Yeah.
me when me a jugger.
Yeah.
Everybody can vote when come a party say yo, Diamond and Juba, if Juba not there and Diamond there.
Yeah.
I mean set party.
I
And
know
that
that.
are my comfort zone.
Me I gotta be honest, cause me a man to be straight honest. You see, Diamond, to me, Diamond is not the greatest mixer But when you talk about selection and music, you know what to play and how to play them and what time to play
Okay.
them. You see, it's not
Me can vouch for him too, cause
Yeah.
I go a whole heap of shindig with Diamond
and him
play.
alone
How
you did
you can
that.
see.
And he come in with your laptop and just stay and he look himself and he start play.
Humble.
And he hold him vibes. Me can vouch for you for that. And the Global Jugglaz sound for that.
Me have a question now. When you think dancehall over here patternized that way, because some people before us kind of patternized it that way, that's why it's no change coming soon in terms of how it's structure.
It no structure good.
Because I feel like it patternized a set of, some man patternized certain things some way. So you know fix good. I don't think so.
My fees as well. Alright, touch base with Diamond said earlier, with in terms of some DJ, where I say, alright then, them are the top DJ, for
Yeah.
instance, eh? Alright then, people know say, okay, them set a DJ there is on the bill, and them know say them a come certain time, so them feel like, okay, party now gonna start. Because the other younger DJ them or the DJ them where them not rate that much, I go play early. So them DJ you know come to 3, 4, 5 o'clock. So
No, but
that
Juba,
at the time them go fire. Which
and I
is
like say-
well on a diamond for the promoter.
Mm.
That's kind of wrong because the promoter have to try make back the money that him spend, yeah. And not only that, the other patrons them when they really party regular but come early, them need to feel like them go to one party get enjoy themselves.
Them getting
as well.
cheated. That man, you say
you
something.
see me?
Yeah, that's something.
Yeah. Me I go say, when you go in a party with someone who say them are the top DJ them,
Yeah.
even if you go in go see them want you
To
to
play.
play before them.
Mm.
All when you're going, say it's like them program for play a certain time. You get what me I say, and that I want change.
All right. This cause me I go call it as it is, yeah. And every majority of the flyers them I will say, I can guarantee if 1 out of the 6, Gangsta Kid, World Power, Lizard, Andrew Fresh, what's that some name of me always say? So basically them 4 names that I call, majority of the party them depend. What me want to find out is are they better than everybody else? Or is it another reason why these gentlemen have a stronger hold on the business? Nothing taken away from their talents. I'm not doing that. I just want to find other people's perspective. Because some people saying online like this person, Marlon Carpenter, said yes in regards to what you say about the raffling and the names them what we play at the party tonight. Remember you said the names and so the DJ name is supposed to raffle at night time when them a play in a which order.
Yeah.
So nobody have no favoritism.
Yeah.
I feel like it's a valid point.
It's a valid point because if you look on this, like if the promoter decide to put you on the bill with some big name selector, what then would I say big name selector, that mean you are ready to play any part of that party, right?
True.
It's right. So as what Diamond say, the raffling should go on. If you go up and flap, you're a business boss man, just take your beat and go home. Because some of the time some of the big selector them come and them still flap.
Yeah.
In a prime time, down in the morning, see me.
Some of them need to change the juggling. It's just one set of tune, one set of talking. It need to change up.
But all right, we can all say it, but we just need to find a way to implement this and find a way to put it because it's almost like everybody know the problem. We all know the problem and we know what is wrong. But
some people just probably afraid to speak out to you get what I mean? So that is part of the problem as well. You see it?
We need to start keep some party with 2 sound alone
yeah.
for the whole night. I will play like 40 minutes right through. And
But that's how it used to
then we
be.
see who sound a juggling sound, who sound a warm up sound, who sound can hold the crowd.
Because
You see what I say? Them when they come in 4 o'clock, you can play anything on the dance bus.
everybody under them
You
drink,
get what me I
everybody
say?
nice.
Mm.
Someone will start come in and build some dance, make we see them talent. You see what I say?
Watch here now. You see how me see the party them patternized from the last, I would say, 5 years.
Mm.
Or one round every selector get to play because as we say, them a overcrowd the bill and the party them a start too late. And you have some man a program for come this time at night. And I don't think it's fair upon the man them in the street every night and put in them work.
You know what me find out is the biggest problem? And me see it, you know, and I don't know if people don't realize the difference is on why the business has changed to me in my perspective is that there are no longer promoters. One time you could know one person I know say him a promoter, him a promote dance. Now everybody who Rasta can decide to she have a party tomorrow.
No, it's the party goers who are keeping the party nowadays.
Yeah, and she become a promoter. Normally, we used to know say a Mikey Versace a keep a dance, him a promoter. So if him a keep a dance, you know say him a the promoter, him a go book a set of DJ or whatever.
And
but nowadays anybody can keep a dance and be the promoter. So and him a go book him friend them.
Rick, hold on there now. And somebody selected them too. No, stop friend the promoter them. Stop friend the promoter them.
You
And tell
can't
them
really tell them
who them for put on the bill because that's not right. Because you have some man
you're
say,
not gonna get rid of
you
that.
not play with that man there because you know. Stop it. You know look good.
You
And
not
stop
gonna get
like
rid of
that
that.
man. No, we have to talk about it because it's a real issue in this thing scene.
Mm.
Not because me not really like you.
Yeah.
That means you have to tell the promoter say yo, you know, no, me not take no date with them man, you know, me not really want, you know, you screw up a face when them tell you say like, you know, me not think for book them man there, you tell a man say, boy, you know, say you should have book him man over so cause make the promoter make him own choice, man.
Which is right. So, alright. People, if you're just joining us, we have Globbal Jugglaz in the building now. We know Wilpa conversation, we just get lost along the way. We start talking about some Wilpa things. We have
You need to talk about it.
yeah, makes sense. I'm glad one day I'm enough for talk. Cause sometimes I've been trying to invite all of the DJ them. Me invite Gangsta Kid and Gangsta Kid say I go forward and him not ready yet. So me still a wait for how much months and him say rare, but me I call him out here so right now. We invite Andrew Fresh. Andrew Fresh come link, but we not get a time to talk with Andrew Fresh because if you don't watch the previous show, the time was a little bit and short, so we need to extend that in some way. But the rest of the big guns them out that we need to talk and find out what's going on here because there's a problem. And I feel cheated as a 9-to-5 worker, going to work, working my hard-earned money and pay for going out and dance, 10 to 20 pounds, and I pay for going to get entertained. Sometimes I play too, I'm a DJ as well too. But me feel cheated when me know say me going and me only get an hour worth of music and so much music in the genre. Not even say dancer alone. So much music out there right now. Me as a DJ, I don't even upload certain song anymore to Mr. Rato because me not getting a chance to play that segment there. It don't make no sense. I keep it on my hard drive, but me working laptop or me use work, he has a set amount of songs and I just keep it away because it's pointless. What's the point storing everything and not get to play it?
Globbal Juggler, would you feel that some man take Piola from some set of clique in the dance them? Some Dan or some money man, what them call them, a take Piola all the time because I mash up the people in good party.
This money pull up thing, mash up everything. Some of the top selector them now get the money for play some of the dance them. So them have to hustle out in the high part for the money pull up for earn them money upon the night. So me I say,
Call him.
not calling you.
Right
No,
there.
but some of the
But I
high
true
man
still.
them, you see what me I say?
Me
The
see
money
it,
pull
we see
up
it
thing, mash
for
up the
real.
thing
Big
from
enough
no
time.
juggling in the dance again.
Yeah.
Because you have the hype man them over there, so you man them dash with champagne pan one another.
No,
And the money
not
pull up
that,
crew.
that.
You get what me I say? And they say it stop and then everybody in the dance.
Hustle,
and
the
look.
game gone hustling,
Like-
you know. So all the girl them get left out of it, you know.
Yeah, cause
Cause me there one dance one night, 5 girl song play and the dance done.
God no.
5 girl them a cuss. That's why I not like go high party. Cause I can't full jam myself.
it don't make no sense, guys.
That make no sense, bro.
So right now if you're there in England and you want to enjoy yourself, you better have to go West End.
No know about that.
Diamond no go say.
Better say you go West End then.
No know about that.
Nah, man, we have a
That's
stay.
me, I
We have a stay that our
But I
place.
go a
man.
holy ground. But
Yeah.
as me I say, man them for let the cake share feel.
Alright, here what Sonic's problem where me see. Yeah. And probably a lot of people can state as well. You see, once some DJs start play and the money start flow, nobody no want give up the time. Cause everybody want get all of that little food there. Zin, not saying it's about the money pull up, but okay, if you have 30 minutes for juggle and you play 29 minutes and
You know, go on with
25
that.
minutes in your juggling, you start getting money pull up.
Yeah.
Why you want to go another 10 minutes? What? Because the money start run. If you weren't getting that money in the last 5 minutes of your juggling, you'd have come off.
Yeah.
But because you start getting the money, you feel like you forgot extra, which then cause a problem with the next DJ we play because theme time
or cut shot.
Yeah, and that is the next problem.
But
as
that is the problem because, as I said, if you go back to where we have promoters will know that, listen, you need to have somebody to manage at the time.
Yeah.
With every show you have stage management. There's a reason for these things, so you can pencil out them little things. So if a man knows say you might go play from 12 to 12:30, when you reach 12:29, you know say your last song you gonna play, and stage management got to him and say, listen to me, brother, time.
Yeah.
But because we are who we are and we just do feel like we do, what we realize at time, and yo, dancer go on in the yo, find one next popcorn there.
That one of the thing them too. Cause sometimes I play and a man I say, yo, Diamond, 5 o'clock the party I done, you know. You get to me I say, you don't play 4:30 for your next man play half an hour. When you take a stack, at 6 o'clock the dance done. Then get a 1.5. You see what I say? So we really need the time management for real.
Makes sense. So we find out two solutions since we're there. You know what? This is a very
hot topic.
Very product. Well, go ahead.
You know, cause me have a hot topic like touch the topic little earlier on. I'm going to touch back on it. I don't know if you guys are aware what going on Jamaica scene. When they look build them pass, what them say weekday party 12 o'clock, weekend 2 o'clock. Do you guys agree with it, and do you agree? I don't know if you want to see the statement that the Mr. Androlis put out today, the Prime Minister of Jamaica. I don't know if you guys see the statement. I want to hear guys' take and views on that.
Alright, are you saying that based on we here saying at the UK?
Yeah, because
for the Jamaicans.
We as Jamaican in UK.
No, Jamaica, it doesn't affect us in
Yeah,
the
it don't affect us.
So
But
that may I try.
Yeah, like we just all defend the poor people out there and the dancehall music because our culture and we not the same thing.
What's your take?
My take, really, according to Andrew Holness, he might try compromise with everybody as well. Is based on what he's saying, he must say more of like a certain part of the area only for events keep, which is kind of away from the working class of people. But probably, him probably do realize that working class of people do party as well. And I have friends who work 9 to 5 in a decent job and then party till down in the morning. So I don't know how them are going to fix it, but I'm sure them have to go compromise in some way because the reggae music or dancehall music out in Jamaica generate a lot of income. Not only for the government, but for other people who do events, who sell, who promote, the DJs them as well. We don't have a 9 to 5. So, and you get me, if for instance, an inner city community I keep party once a week, you get me, or you gonna lock off that, for them kind of enjoyment.
You can't stop for them.
Yeah, you get what I mean, because you're gonna stop for them income, but them not have a 95, and if them try to get a 95, them can't get it based on where you come from.
I feel like there's a gentrification going on in terms of dancehall in the city them and the towns in Jamaica because they're trying to move dancehall, the heartbeat of our culture, out of the main town in the island and put it to a particular venue. I don't think that's right because when them have the big bacchanal, them block off all uptown and block every road and everything. Then I think both people can go work and people can go about them business because they block off the road. Why you fight dancehall, our culture? I don't know, dancehall is always a thing. At the street side people make people fly from Germany, whole of Europe, come to Jamaica, England because that vibe. As we spice it, we can go back to that. Somebody will capitalize on it, somebody will take our thing and bring it somewhere else. Yeah. And then them can cut out Jamaica because Jamaica almost come like the middleman because I think the heads of government in our country been fighting dancehall for so long because look at this. Look at the big show them keep at Jamaica scene. Them go right back till man, Them usually come lock off Sting on them show they every now and then. Seeing? Because a poor people dancehall show. But you never hear police really come lock off Sunfest and the big show them the jazz and blues them and them something there. And me I thought them their show will go right back because I would say it's a form of racism in a sense because I don't know if none of realize it. Sometimes our own people can be racist to our own people as Jamaican, because some of the time them burn out the good things them where tourists come there for actual love. Do you know how much money dancehall music put in our Jamaica? Think about how much money artists turn over to bring back in the country, right?
True.
The producer, the selector them, the people them who sell dope plate and all them sitting there. Them have to think about that little dance, them keep little events, them round robin and them little sitting there. Them not think and look on a bigger picture them, cause look here. Remember Jimmy Buffett and them, and they have them big club them, you know. And you know, them have them Margaritaville and something. Them not go lock off them, even though it's a club, it's not on the street.
Yeah.
Them not trouble them something there.
They're not trouble them.
Who can afford the big club them and get the big license can do the whole indoor thing. It's our culture, dancehall thing and the sound system thing. Cause Mr. Wellness. Respect to you and everything, but let me step on your car now, see? Let me step on your car a little bit, see?
Yeah, I hear it, man.
Quickly,
You
Jack.
talk a little thing and say, yo, you talk to Minister Grange. You and I talk about this 2 years ago. You talk about things 2 years ago and you implement a law and you don't put none of your plan that you talk to or in action for back up what you talk about, but you implement the law so everybody have a feel it until whenever the plan won't want chip in. I don't know what kind of policy that you do. So what the people them we have them sound system, you select them, the eagle them, what them all doing at that time. Or them gonna send their kids back to school in that period of time while you are thinking about it. Wanna never take a piece of just $5 million if I look a sign and put on a mobile. When you thief the money and say 13 or 14 million to bill.
Alright.
Yeah.
Accusation.
But
Jagana shoot.
one thing me I say, why now this a start? This bigger than where everybody even think. You know what I mean? Cause one day I mean a listen lad and the man I say upon the see them there party where them not disturb nobody and them still come lock it off. So this not have nothing to do with disturbing people. This bigger than what Eve now go on.
It's about fighting the dancehall culture.
Yeah, but you have other countries out there where pick it up. As what you said earlier, as in other people are going to take up our culture. It's already happening. Because if you look abroad with different countries, whether it's the Caribbean, Europe, Asia,
Yeah.
they all having their own events.
All right.
You get me? Whether it's weekend, full week, you get me? Whatever it is.
But now, you know, remember, go by the days when, you know, back in Japan and them place there, whole heap of artists and whole heap of selectors just fly out. Now it's cut down to a minimum because you know what, them come to Jamaica patronize it
And them take it
back to
themselves.
there because you know what, we never protect what we have. Look in a Europe scene. Remember you look at dance and them come to Jamaica, come I want to cap them stop come. Pay dancing cap and keep a Europe now.
Yeah,
Some
exactly.
big massive dancing camp because I've been there as a witness and see with my 2 eye them.
Yeah.
And I say, yo, they're not doing nothing to protect our culture. And I've been speaking about this. And I say, Mr. Wellness, me write again for Instagram, my boss man. Me I look for your reply, you know. Because
yes. So
the look up, fix up speech that we make like no substance of the tweet.
me have to stop it right there, so Jugglaz. When you rant. People, if you're just joining us, this is the Upnlive show live here, and we have Globbal Jugglaz inside the studio right now, and we're just running out of time. So before we go, can we just get some details so we can find the sound Globbal Jugglaz, starting from
Alright.
Juba.
So basically, you don't know, as a group, Globbal Jugglaz, you can find us on Instagram, on Facebook, straight Globbal Jugglaz. And you have my page, which is GJ Juba, Globbal Jugglaz. Then you have DJ Diamond page.
My Insta, a G Global Diamond, you know what I mean? So no Facebook, just Insta.
just Insta? No Facebook. So like Facebook get we in a trouble.
Yeah.
And you know them can also email, like, you know, email us for any booking and stuff. djjuba22@gmail.com. You know, also we've got the YouTube page, Globbal TV. So, you know, whole heap of work. Plus we have a single. I just want to say we have a single.
A song?
S2, yeah, a song.
Yeah?
Not we as a group, but S2.
S2. So S2,
Yeah,
listen to me,
have a
S2.
song, yeah.
Listen, man, give me that camera. Give me that camera. I send a message to S2. S2 Mafia, listen to me, brother. You see, when I sang the forward, I don't want to give nobody else. I want you forward come give the song. I want you come perform the song right. Yes, alright? So, that little video, I'm going to cut it out and I'm going to send it to your phone directly. Anyway, gentlemen, thank you very much for coming through. You know, I really enjoy the chat today because we really talk what most select afraid to say and just say the real things them.
DJ Rick.
Yeah.
Big up TGM Radio. Big up DJ Rick and the whole family.
Respect,
Dragon
man.
All Star. Everybody big up.
Yeah,
But
me.
why you have one of them talk ya, and why you invite some of the top DJ, we say my top DJ and make you hear what go on. Come
Yeah.
yeah.
Even that, Rick, alright.
Me I gotta do it, you know.
We need a group chat with more than one faction.
Yeah, I was about to say
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
But I don't know at that time. Rick, I think you ever got invite more than one selector or so.
But try do it, but then nobody not forward.
Yeah,
they
man,
want to come by themselves.
Forward back again,
Yeah, makes sense. But anyway, people, thank you very much. Global Jugglaz live in the building. S2 Mafia, Mr. S2 Mafia. Wife S2, Diamond and Juba was here, right? Thank you very much. Dragon, over to you.
Once a big up everybody who locked into the show this week. I want to say love your brother, love your sister, let love rule in everything you do. I want to say read a book. They say brain power is the main power in here. You know what you go. I remember Mr. Owen is a bigger fix up dancehall scene. I want to say the show was sponsored by Vals Prince, Shush Prince. This show was brought to you by World Mark Entertainment. See you guys next week. Love, peace, and respect, right?